fucking shit. Did you put the intake on? Was that what I was hearing?
Yeah, that shit's a bitch to put on.
You had to take off your whole bumper?
Yeah, it's so hard to fucking put in this car.
Why?
The fucking spark plug, I had to take off the whole fucking like windshield wipers and everything for the fucking intake. Bro, that shit took me like a cool 2 hours. That shit took hella long.
Why'd you have to take your bumper off though?
Because it goes down.
Oh. Pop it. Pop that hoe.
Gotta take all this shit off.
Where's the exhaust?
It's in the trunk.
Couldn't do it or what?
Bro, the fucking bolts to the cat are retarded tight. And then
You don't got WD-40? Oh, I got that hoe.
and fucking
Whew. How much did they sell it to you for?
500 for everything.
Huh. Damn, what the fuck? Look.
Yeah, and then this nigga ran over like and killed some shit, so there's blood all over it.
What the fuck? Marca, what brand is it?
INVIDIA.
Oh. Can't really see it. But he got
INVIDIA N1.
He got a CATBACK INVIDIA exhaust, and he got an InGen. How do you say it? InGen cold air intake for his 2000. You guys seen this car on the fucking channel, but I guess he had to take off the whole fucking bumper for this. Waiting for more people though. Hey cousin, do you see the messages?
Huh?
Have you seen the messages? How we're gonna go on the cruise real quick?
Oh, alright.
We out, bro. I gotta go to Turlock real quick.
Why?
Drop off Jessica's keys. I dropped her off home and she forgot them in my car. We out, bro.
Plate?
Or anything, any plastic under it?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah, but it doesn't cover the exhaust. It's just in the front.
Oh, okay. So we don't have to remove anything like that?
Nah.
Alright. I just find that shit so annoying.
Cake?
No, bro, the fucking hangers are what's a fucking pain in the ass.
Do you have any WD-40?
Yeah.
That's what I asked him first. I was like, you got WD-40? He was like, no. I was like,
Bro, I was using cooking spray.
oh no.
Dude, you should have just put some lotion on it, Lucky.
No, that thing was pissing me off, bro.
Bro, how the fuck are you trying to do it with no tools?
I mean, I have tools, but like, I have a small ass ratchet, and I got the back part off for like the muffler, but I couldn't get it from the cat. There's 3 bolts and they're stupid tight, and with that small ass ratchet, I was able to get them off.
It's alright, Juan. You got me and George here now.
Yep.
We're Honda experts now.
We don't got no regular bar though.
Yeah, we don't got that.
You don't have any kind of pop at your house?
Not that I know of.
I bought a bar that I have a bar that you could slip the ratchet onto.
Do you have it?
Yeah, it's in my trunk.
Oh, say less. That's all we need.
I pumped, I only had like 100 miles left, and I pumped all E, and it only went up to like 70.
Supposedly, like those cars are not supposed to be on full 85.
Yeah?
Like they'll overspool the turbo and just fucking blow out the clutch and everything.
Oh shit.
It's only supposed to be like 30% or 40 or some shit like that.
What the fuck?
Oh, this nigga's been pushing. Oh shit.
Does more E mean more power? Nah, huh? I feel like there's just a limit where I feel like there's just a point where if you put any more, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, honestly.
I feel like anything after like 50, there's really no point. Hey, I'll be the first. Hey, Hellcat.
Those shits, bro, those
yeah.
fucking cars are they're hella good.
Bro, your car makes too much fucking noise.
What do you mean?
I just feel that shit all in my ears. Yeah, with headers, it's gonna be worse.
I know.
When are you gonna put them on?
I found someone to do them.
Nigga, you've been saying that, but when are you gonna put them on?
I don't know. Whenever the guy's ready. It's not up
Now
to me.
that's gonna be a bitch.
He's a mechanic. And he has a car lift.
It's still gonna be a bitch.
And it's in Stockton. He said he ain't gonna charge me as long as I help him. I was like, say less.
You know what the RBC man?
Oh, look at Hellcat.
Well, it's like a fucking
I I would race him, but I have a kid in the car.
So?
Hey, ¿quieres correr? ¿Quieres hacer carreras?
He's gonna clap me. It's a fucking Hellcat.
¿Sí o no?
He will,
No.
stop. He will clap you.
I know he will. Fuck it, dude. Oh my god, this is scary. I'm trying to.
It's probably automatic too.
This is gonna be interesting. I know I'm gonna lose, but I just want to see how bad though. He's not gonna race me. Is he old man?
No, he's like, I got nothing to prove.
Yeah, facts. Look, he's hella not phased. Hurt. VD40, and look where it's at.
You spilled it?
Oh, dude. Bro, why do you not fucking put the oil back in the containers?
I don't know, dude. It'll work. It works. Right. Alright, I know this video's all over the place and you guys don't know what the hell we're probably doing, but we're gonna be installing this CATBACK exhaust for Vaughn, what year is your car?
2013.
2013 Honda Civic Si.
Juan, did you spray this on?
And no, actually,
Yeah.
Spray something on?
this one is in Georgia.
Yeah.
This is Juan's. Just having a little trouble. So I told this nigga to slide. Because me and George are experts. Not really, but.
Bueno? Yeah.
Ah! Piece of shit.
No, bro, you're not gonna be able to. You need space.
You want to bet? You want to bet?
You need space.
Ah, bitch.
Ezra,
Huh?
put it more like this, angle this way, and then use the bar.
I know, that's what I was gonna ask.
But you
Give me
need
the bar.
space though.
No, you'll be good, you'll be good. Trust.
Give me the bar.
Where's that? Well, angle it first, let me see it.
Got that hoe, bitch. Yeah. Alright. Oh shit. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm taking off the 3 bolts that are on the cat. Because what's gonna happen is basically the whole pipe that leads behind that is coming off. He's taking off the hangers. I think he's helping him. I just cut myself like a bitch, dude.
Oh my.
Y'all good up there? What's up, dude?
Okay, now try to angle this down. Come on.
It goes down.
George, do me a favor.
Huh?
Give me a smaller one of this size, please. Yeah. I'm gonna take this part so it look.
Yeah.
Because it's not letting me take off
that
the.
916. What's smaller? Make a bar. Ah.
Ah, fucking shit. Come on.
Huh?
Never mind, I took it off.
Oh no, I'll take that shit out. Way fucking easier.
Fuck this piece.
Just hit it up top.
Bro, my fucking bicep is hurting like a bitch.
You start like cramping up and shit.
Yeah.
You see
You can't lift this bitch higher? Ron,
Huh?
lift it from the front. No.
Nigga,
Lift the car.
What? Oh.
I can't fit under here. It's making it kind of hard.
Yeah. Hold up.
Oh, get up.
That's what I was telling you that.
I need it higher on the front. Fucking bitch, dude.
have a spare tire or something, Andrew?
Check, if I put it right here, the same height as this, it's gonna stay the same. Cause look how it's lifting it. Just we're replacing this with that.
No. Just leave it like
All right,
that.
fuck it. If it falls and I die,
You fall, you die.
fuck you guys. All right. Oh, see that? I could fit. Nice.
Right there, hey, that's the spot.
There you go. Oh! Did I get that hoe? I think I got that hoe. Yeah, I think I got that hoe.
Oh, there we go.
Broke it?
Yeah. I got it.
What you mean, jelly bean?
It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out.
Okay. Always easier. This way.
That way. It's hella light on my side. Just go out with it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Got it.
Nice. High five, bro. Give me some. Alright. Ah!
shiny dog lights.
Good shit.
All right, this one goes on the. This one goes on the thing itself.
What side goes to the cat? Come on.
Huh? I think that one goes over here, doesn't it?
This one goes right here. Right, what the fuck?
Eh? No. ¿Pa qué?
Porque sale en el taladro.
No, ya los ocupa.
Sí, ábrelo. Ábrelo.
Fuck. Which one did I take off from where?
Slide that hole over here. No. No, from back there, way. From back there. Just hand it to me. There's no gasket one?
No.
Keep going, keep going. Ah, fuck. Keep going. Keep going. Juan, you need to keep dragging it from the back. I don't want to scrape it on the floor. Hang on. Lift it, lift it.
Right there?
Push it in more if you guys can.
That's the only way.
Stop touching, stop touching.
So you think it hangs at the bottom or where?
It's
God damn.
Fuck, now we gotta transition to the bag.
Here, take the GoPro with you.
Right here. So. Okay. All right, there we go. Got it. Hey, dile, shout out jail. Dile, shout out Zale. Dile, shout out Zale. Man, shout out Zale. No. Estamos en. La madre.
They're just trying to fucking tie in those bolts. They were struggling to finish, and now it's 30. It's on. Are we done?
Yes.
of course.
Let's lower this hoe and let's see how it sounds. Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Oh yeah, facts. Hey, give my fucking tools
Where are these
back.
from?
Ready?
Yeah, yeah. Fucking shit. Rev that hoe.
Huele acá.
Fuck. That shit sounds dope. Good shit. Good shit.
Oh, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna take the Mustang out and do flybys like right here. Sounds dope. How long did that take us, George? Like an hour? Pretty easy install. That sounds dope. That sounds clean as fuck, dude. That sounds dope, dude. That sounds clean as fuck. That thing sounds dope. I like it. Well, there you go. About a fucking hour to install. Thank you guys for watching the video. Oh, and I someone actually commented on my video of installing your shit, the downpipe and whatever. You know how I barely even recorded anything? Bro, where in that title does it say installing it? Nowhere, right? It just says like we got more mods. So people were upset because we didn't actually show how to do it, but it's just that we couldn't. So this one we're actually gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm actually gonna show that, or how to do it, so you guys won't get upset with it. The dude commented, he was like, useless. That shit was hella funny. Alright, thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.